Every home and workplace needs to have a healthy environment for your family, friends, and colleagues. Did you know that the air quality in your home might be more polluted than the air outside? Some agencies report it could be as much as 2 to 5 times worse than outdoor air, and it's a worsening problem. The chemicals, volatile organic compounds, and mold that are common in housing throughout the United States could have a devastating effect on the health of those who live there. A simple and inexpensive air quality test could tell you what your family breathes in every day. The side effects of poor indoor air quality range from mild to serious. Nothing is more important to your health than the quality of the air you breathe. Safeguard yours by testing it in the places where you spend the most time, at home and work. The results will give you a roadmap to healthier air. Call us at 888-217-2719 to set up an appointment for an indoor air quality test at your home or workplace.